Okay, now that I've got those cut, you can see I've got all the corners knocked off of these two pieces. Now I'm just going to take it over to my table belt sander. And this is the way I like my table belt sander. I always like this guy flat for some reason. I don't think I've ever had it upright really. Yeah, sometimes I have, but actually ever since I've owned this one, I've always had this flat, and honestly, I don't think I ever use this side. All my stuff is done on the flat here, so now I'm just going to show you how to round these corners. And this is just the regular, this is how I round my corners. And anyway, now I'm going to start it up and then you could also just kind of knock the edges off a little bit. So there you go. That's how you do that. That's how I do that process. And now all I got to do is take it out to the car, take the old license plates off, and then measure and mark my holes, pre-drill it, and then screw them on, and I'm done.